Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva, and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do hope you stick around. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial to go with this hairstyle that I did for BTL. I already posted the video and I will link it down below so you guys could find it just in case you're interested. To start off, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face with my Nivea cream. Because I have dry skin, I usually use this underneath my makeup just to keep my skin moisturized while I'm wearing my makeup. And I'm just going to rub it in. I'm going to go in with my serum cream from Garnier and use this as a primer on my face. Okay, next I'm going to go in with my Tarte concealer, and this is in the shade 37G medium golden, and I'm going to use this as a base for my eyeshadow on my eyelid or my eyelids. And I'm going to use my wet beauty sponge to blend it out. So this is the sponge that I'm going to be using to blend it out. I know it's dirty, I've been using it for so many different makeup, but I didn't get the chance to wash it out, so don't judge me. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my eyelids where I just applied the concealer, and this is gonna prevent my concealer from creasing. So I dip it in there like that, then I dust it off a little bit, and then boom, apply it by just dabbing it on all over the concealer. Now I'm going to use my Morphe bronzer. I'm going to use it kind of like a transitioning color. I'm going to put it right under my eyebrow, going down to the side of my nose right here. I like the look that it gives, so this is the reason why I use it. And I've been doing this for like all my makeup look lately. Sometimes I use it all over my lid as my transitioning color. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that today, but we'll see. So from my Blend Bunny palette, I'm going to be using the shade right here as my transitioning color. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it and blend it into that one that I just applied close to my nose. And I'm going to pull it all the way out under the, the wing of my eyebrow right here. I'm going to go back into the same palette that I have here. I'm going to be using this darker shade right here. So this shade, I'm going to apply it right in my crease right here and just blend it out just like so. I'm bringing it all the way inwards into the inner corner of my eye, and then I'm going to blend it out. So again, from this palette, I'm going to go ahead and use this really dark one right here, this black one, onto my eyelid over what I have already. I'm gonna use my ABH primer to do a cut crease on my eyelid. I'm going to go into the same palette and I'm going to go in with this one right here. And I'm going to apply it onto the area where I add the eye primer. I'm going to go ahead and add some eyeliners and lashes onto my eyes to finish it off, and then I'm going to come back and start my foundation. This is the foundation that I'm going to be using today. It's my True Match by L'Oreal and the shade is C7. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer, and the one I'm using today is this one from Tarte. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer using my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. So I'm going to dip my wet sponge into the setting powder like that, and then I'm going to just dab it into my hand before patting it on where I need it, just like so. And I'm just gonna dab the rest of it all over my face like so, whatever is left on the sponge. I'm gonna go ahead and use some of my bronzer, my Morphe bronzer from earlier, to warm up my face a little bit and make it all come together, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my MAC Skin Finish over my makeup. I'm gonna add some blush from this palette here, and I'm gonna use this one right here. This palette is from Juvia's Place. I'm gonna go ahead and add some eyeliner from this palette right here. I got this palette from BoxyCharm. The name of it is Complex Culture. This is what the eyeliners look like in there, and it also has a couple bronzers as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this lip liner to line my lip. The name is Ultra Easy. I believe I got this from the beauty supply store. I have another one that I've been using, but I think that one is in my room, so I just opened up this new one here that I'm going to be using today. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the back of the lip liner to just smudge it out. For lipstick today, I'm gonna be using my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is the name of this one. Let's see. Let's put it up in the camera for you guys. Now I'm going to finish off my makeup with some setting spray, and this one I'm going to be using is my Rose Water setting spray from Maven Beauty. Now I'm going to go ahead and change into something different, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look of my makeup. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love it, but I want to know what you guys think. I want to know if it's something that you think you would try. I mean, it's not that hard. The hardest part I would say is to do the cut crease, but as long as you get your blending right, then it shouldn't be that hard for you to, you know, to do it. So yeah, it's a natural glam look and I really like it. It goes well with my hair, and that's something that I was going for. So yes, I am absolutely happy about that. So if you feel like you could recreate it, definitely go for it, I say. Also, make sure you guys check out my membership on my YouTube channel. Definitely hit join and check out the membership, because I have some good perks in there for you guys, including, of course, free one-to-one lesson. And it's unlimited. Just as long as you're a member, you could get free one-to-one lesson with me. You gotta be a boss member to get the free one-to-one makeup lesson, along with the other perks that I have for you, of course. But yeah, if you are interested, definitely check that out. And if you find this video helpful, of course, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.